Good morning, my name is Darrel Amaradipta, and today I will show you the steps and procedures on how to create a dental study model. First, you want to cut off the excess gypsum on your study model so that it can fit into the base former, but also be sure to leave some anatomical markings. So first, before starting, you need to prepare gypsum powder, a mixing bowl, and a spatula for mixing. Once you have prepared your mixing bowl and your spatula, prepare your gypsum powder, weigh it to over 100 grams, and then put that gypsum powder into the mixing bowl. Once you have your gypsum powder in the mixing bowl, prepare water at an amount of 25 milliliters. Pour the water into the mixing bowl and then mix it together with a twist movement like so until the water and the gypsum is homogeneously fused. Once you have mixed the gypsum and the water, bring over a vibrator which will be used to remove the air bubbles so that the mixture will be smoother and the end product won't have any holes or abscesses. Once that is completed, pour the mixture onto a base former and then put the trimmed dental impression into the base former, and then wait until it hardens, and once it has hardened, separate it under running water. And then after you're done with that, you'll have this kind of result. The base height of the maxillary jaw must be approximately about 4.5 centimeters long. The posterior edge of the maxillary jaw must be perpendicular to the midline of the whole jaw. The interior edge of both the maxillary and mandibulary base must form a 25-degree angle between each other and must be perpendicular to the midline. Both the left and the right side of the dental study model must form a 65-degree angle. The posterior left and right of the base of the both maxillary and mandibulary base model must form a 130-degree angle with each other, but because of some mistakes in trimming, as you can see, the base angle is not consistent and the length is also not consistent. The shape of the maxillary base must taper and must be perpendicular to the midline. The next step is to create a curved line on the study model so we can see clearly the anatomical landmarks on the study model. However, for the mandibular base, the interior portion must be more rounded than the maxillary base. As you can see, it is still tapering to the midline, but it is much more rounded than it was before on the maxillary base. The last step is to see if the dental study model occludes properly. On my dental study model, however, on one side it occludes perfectly, as you can see, but on the other side it does not occlude and therefore it still shakes. This is likely due to an excess gypsum that has not been trimmed yet, as you can see there, or simply because of the improper positioning of the study model on the base former.